Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create hidden fields in a HubSpot form. Hidden fields are incredibly useful when you need to capture data automatically without cluttering your form or confusing your visitors with unnecessary input boxes. They're perfect for tracking campaign sources, UTM parameters, or any backend data you want to collect silently. First, head over to HubSpot.com and sign into your account. If you're new to HubSpot, you can create a free account or start a trial to follow along. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard, which is your central hub for all marketing activities. Now navigate to the Forms area by hovering over Marketing in the left navigation panel. This will expand a submenu with several options. From there, click on Forms to open the Forms Management area where you can create and edit all your lead capture forms. To start building your form, click the Create Form button located in the upper right corner of the screen. You may be prompted to choose between different form editors such as the standard form editor or the legacy form editor. Select the one that works best for your needs, then click Next in the top right corner to proceed with the setup. Next, you'll need to choose how you want to start your form. HubSpot offers various templates that can speed up your design process, or you can select Start from Blank if you prefer complete creative control. Pick whichever option aligns with your goals and move forward. Once you're in the form builder, you can start adding fields by dragging and dropping them into your form layout. Click on any field to edit its properties, including the label, placeholder text, and whether it should be required for form submission. This customization ensures your form collects exactly the information you need. Here's where the magic happens. To configure a hidden field, start by adding the field you want to use for automatic data collection. Click on that field to open the Edit Field panel on the left side of your screen. Scroll down through the options until you find the Hidden Field toggle button. Simply click this toggle to hide the field from visitors while still allowing it to capture data in the background. This keeps your form clean and user-friendly while giving you powerful tracking capabilities. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.